Why electric cars are software platforms, not vehicles. When people hear electric cars, they think about batteries, range, charging, speed. But that's not what truly changed the car. The real transformation happened quietly. Electric cars stopped being mechanical machines and became software systems. What moves the vehicle today is not just electricity, it's code. When people think about electric cars, they usually focus on batteries, range, charging speed, and power. But batteries are not what truly defines modern electric vehicles. The real transformation is happening in software. Electric cars are no longer just machines that move people. They are software platforms on wheels. Modern electric vehicles rely on software to control nearly every function. Power delivery, braking, steering, and efficiency are software-driven. Even driving feel is shaped by code. Unlike traditional cars, electric vehicles can improve after purchase. Software updates can increase range, improve performance, and add new features. The hardware stays the same, but the vehicle evolves. This is a fundamental shift in how vehicles are designed. Electric cars are built around centralized computing systems. Instead of dozens of isolated controllers, software unifies control. This allows faster responses and better coordination. Energy management is one of the most important software tasks. Software decides how power is distributed and conserved. Efficiency is no longer mechanical. It is algorithmic. Safety systems are also deeply software dependent. Sensors, cameras, and radar feed data into decision-making systems. Software interprets this data in real time. The vehicle is constantly evaluating its environment. This is why electric cars feel different to drive. Acceleration is smooth. Response is immediate. Behavior is predictable. These qualities come from software, not motors. Electric vehicles are also connected platforms. They communicate with charging networks, infrastructure, and digital services. Data flows continuously between the car and the ecosystem. This makes electric cars part of a larger system. Traditional cars were static products. Electric cars are dynamic systems. They change over time through software. This shift also changes how manufacturers compete. Success depends less on engines and more on code. Companies are now competing as software developers. The future of electric vehicles will be written in software updates, not in mechanical parts. Electric cars are not just transportation. They are evolving software platforms.